One of the harder hitting fungicides in the bedding plant grower toolbox is fludeoxonil, more commonly known and sold as Medallion. This is one of my go-to fungicides for managing pathogens like Fusarium and Rhizoctonia, but it also has a broader use in combating botrytis and several fungal leaf spot pathogens. However, there are a couple crops that Medallion should never be applied to, and the label specifically cautions applicators against doing so. In geraniums and New Guinea impatiens, stunting, chlorosis, and or distortion are typical symptoms that result when applied to these two crops, and the only real path forward is to push through the stunting and flush out new growth over the damaged tissue. Now, insecticide and miticide products can pose similar risks. Misapplication of spirotetramat, commonly sold as Contos in the U.S., is a frequent cause behind distortion, stunting, and chlorosis on finished geraniums around this time each year. Contos is a staple in many growers' IPM toolbox, especially for managing two-spotted spider mite and broad mites, but this one should be left out of the rotation on your geraniums and a few other tropical and foliage plants. While phytotoxicity in geraniums looks concerning, most mature crops can push through the damage and recover within a couple of weeks. Higher dosage earlier in the crop cycle can have longer-term impact and delay time to finish, but Contos Phyto most often occurs as a later season mistake in the spray program, so be sure to add a "not for geraniums" note to the bottle for this one.